Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I want to show you how to like a video on the TikTok website. So if you're watching TikTok on your PC or your MacBook, then let me show you how to like a video on the TikTok website. So first you want to go ahead and open up your Google Chrome browser, navigate to tiktok.com. Here you need to go ahead and make sure you're logged in to your TikTok account. Once logged in, go to For You and go ahead and browse through these videos and see which one you like. So say for example, I like this video. So to like this video, I'll go ahead and hover over the heart shape here just next to the video, tap on it. And once it becomes red, I have basically liked that video. So there you go guys, that is how to like a video on the TikTok website.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.